Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
They made one application to consider the revision application as anticipatory bail application, and the court considered their request and heard the anticipatory bail application today, and it is reserved for orders. So in 2 or 3 days time, court will pass some order on the application.
The issue was raised by the defense counsel that her custodial interrogation is not required. What was your standing?
No, nobody said that custodial interrogation is not required. What we have informed the court is that in our reply, we have never said that we require her custodial interrogation because we had already issued 41A notice. Now, law is that 41A notice is issued only for the cases where the police officer feels that there is no need of arrest. Having received 41A notice, she failed to comply with it. So therefore, we filed reply to the bail application, which was unnecessary filed by them. There was no threat of arrest given by police at any point of time. This is what we have pointed out to the court today, and court was also inquiring about all these things.
So, as of today, what is the stand of crime branch?
We have put our stand on record in the reply. We have given all the details of investigation, whatever has happened, and the court will decide now the application.